on in now, right on down front. I got something I want to show you. You heard of the popcorn, you heard of the dog. I got a brand new thing that's going around that I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm talking about that funky chicken. Y'all didn't hear me. Okay, there we go. Y'all ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Put the left arm up, right arm too. I'm gonna tell you what you got to do. Cock your wing, feet start kicking. Now you know, doing the function, yeah. Second spell. Y'all ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Put both arms up above your face. You start wiggling over the place. Drop your wing. Feet start kicking. Now you know, doing something. Yeah. Oh, I can feel it now. Oh, I feel so unnecessary. Make you feel like you wanna do something nasty, like waste some chicken gravy on the white shirt. Wrap down front. Okay, there we go. Y'all ready, fellas? Yeah. Ready, fellas? Yeah. Ready, fellas? Yeah. Ready, fellas? Yeah. Work those arms, work both feet. Together, baby. Down on the beat. Drop the wing. Feet stop kicking. Now you know, doing the function, yeah. Oh. Now, I want to know if I can get a couple of young ladies. Ladies, come on down here and do the funky chicken with me. Come on. Come on. Got it right under there. Help us, ladies. Can I get another lady? Come on, help me do that funky chicken. Come on, lady. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Can I get a lady over here? Come on. Come on. Help the lady there. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Hold up together. Come on over here. Okay, there we go. All you have to do is follow instruction. Follow instruction. Follow instruction. Okay, there we go. Y'all ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Here you go. Put that arm up. Right on two. I'm gonna tell you what you got to do. Drop your wing. Keep that kicking. Now you know. Doing the get up. Wait a minute. Come over here now. Standing right over there. Yeah, standing right there. Move on over. Okay, one more. There we go. Y'all ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Put the left arm up. Right on two. I'm gonna tell you What you got to do? Drop your wing. You start kicking. Now you know. Doing the function. Do it. Do it. Wait a minute. Boy, that chicken getting funky. Thank y'all very much. Grazie. Grazie. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now you wait a minute. Gonna be me and you now. Come right over here. Here you go. We got one more. Come on. Y'all ready? Fellas. Ready, fellas? Ready, fellas? Put the left arm up. Right arm too. I'm gonna tell you just what you got to do. Clap your wings. Feet stop kicking. Now you know. Good don't kick. I bet you better go. How about a hand for that lady? Hand for the lady. Oh! Way down. You know, I couldn't have done it up here for you if the band hadn't done it back there for me. So how about a hell of a hand for the fellas in the band? How about a hand for the fellas in the band? Here we go. Y'all ready, fellas? Yeah. Ready, fellas? Yeah. Ready, fellas? Yeah. Ready, fellas? Yeah. Do the bump chicken up. 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 Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Everybody in the house, stand on up. Everybody in the house, won't you stand on up? Stand on up. Everybody in the house, won't you stand on up? Stand on up. Everybody in the house, won't you stand on up? Stand on up. Stand on up, y'all. Put your hands together. Put your hands together now. 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 Keep it going. When I say oh, you say oh. When I say oh, you say oh. Oh. Wait a minute, one more. Oh. Sounding good now. Oh. Oh. Got two up now. Oh. 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 Three. Oh. Oh, you sound good. Three more. Oh. got to go now. I got to go, y'all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, y'all. Bye-bye, y'all. Good night, y'all. Bye, y'all.
Mr. Rufus Thomas!
Sorry.
Mr. Rufus Thomas and the Memphis All-Stars Rhythm and Blues Band. Mr. Rufus Thomas.